everyone, I'm Zeke. Today, I am going to teach you about division of whole numbers. Division of whole numbers means taking a certain number of items and split it up into groups. Here is the example. 4,889 divided by 21. In division, we have 4 steps. Number 1, divide. Number 2, multiply. Number 3, subtract. And number 4, bring down. First, let us divide 21 to 48. Remember, the dividend should always greater than the divisor. So, 48 divided by 21. How many 21 can we get into 48? Let us try 21 times 2. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So, the answer is 2. The second step is multiply 21 times 2. 21 times 2 is equals to 42. Let's proceed to the third step. 48 minus 42 is equals to 6. But 6 is less than 21. So, we need to proceed to the fourth step, which is bring down. Let us bring down 8. After bring down, repeat the 4 steps until there is no more number left. Let us continue. 68 divided by 21. How many 21 should we get into 68? Let us try 21 times 3. 1 times 3 is equals to 3. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So, the answer is 3. 21 times 3 is equals to 63. 68 minus 63 is equals to 5. Let us bring down 9. How many 21 should we get into 59? Let us try 21 times 2. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So, the answer is 2. 21 times 2 is equals to 42. 59 minus 42 is equals to 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So, the answer is 232, remainder 17. There are 4 parts of division. First is the dividend, which is the number being divided by another number. Second is the divisor, which is the number that divides the dividend. Next is the quotient, which is the answer in division. And lastly is the remainder, which is the number left after doing division. To check if our quotient is correct, just multiply the quotient to the divisor, then add the remainder. One is equals to 2. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Bring down 2. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. Bring down 4. Plus 17. 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. 8 bring down 8. 4 bring
One
down 4.
eternity later.
Answer is 4889. Since the product is same as the dividend, therefore, our answer is correct. And that's it. Hope you learned something. Bye!